It's still in place. It has been extended through June 30, 2021. So the moratorium will cover what it calls covered persons. So a covered person could be a tenant who is there pursuant to the lease, or it could be just generally a resident. So that, in fact, would include someone who's not on the lease. As long as they're impacted by COVID-19, they would be a covered person and you cannot evict them as long as they serve you the declaration. An ejection is going to remove a non-tenant who is occupying the property. So maybe it's a squatter, or maybe it's, a guest who was moved in by a tenant. In that case, you would file a complaint for an ejection, whereas the eviction is going to apply to people who are tenants in some way. So the moratorium applies to landlords who have a right to pursue an eviction or any other possessory action. So in this case, that would include an ejection. So you can't sort of skirt the moratorium by filing an ejection instead of an eviction. If that tenant files a declaration, the moratorium will still apply regardless of how you label the possessory action.